What's up guys? If you're planning a vacation at Lake Como in Italy, there are 5 places that you don't want to miss exploring. They are a must-see if you're in the north of Italy. In this video we look at the top 5 of Lago di Como, so stay tuned and follow us while we delve into these amazing locations on the bank of Lake Como. This list is not a best to worst, as every place has its own charm. For those who don't know, we are in the north of Italy, close to the border with Switzerland. Lake Como is on the right of Lake Lugano. We will start with the town called Menaggio. Menaggio is the most important town on the west coast of Lake Como. Thanks to its central position, it is a good base to reach other towns along the lake. Some big hotels in this amazing summer location make it a summer resort area. Menaggio is known for its golf club and Lido beach with 2 swimming pools. In Menaggio you can take the ferry with your car to Varenna and BELLAGIO. Ferries come and go from all corners of the lake. Menaggio is a typical Italian village. The boulevard is so pleasant to make a relaxing walk and enjoy the views of the lake. Piazza Garibaldi is in the heart of the town. It is surrounded with restaurants and cafes where you relish on a nice summer day. Como is the main city of Lake Como. It's also the biggest city on the lake. The city is situated at the southwest point of Lake Como. The city is surrounded by green, rich hills, which gives it incomparable beautiful scenery. Como was the birthplace of many historical figures, including scientist Alessandro Volta. Como city contains numerous works of art, churches, gardens, museums, theaters, parks and palaces. The Duomo, seat of the Diocese of Como, is an outstandingly beautiful church. The public gardens with the Tempio Voltiano are wonderful locations to stroll around. The Teatro Sociale and the Broletto are amazing buildings that you don't want to miss. The Broletto is the city's medieval town hall. Como has a large marina laying at the boulevard, and close to the Tempio Voltiano is Como Beach, a nice sandy beach. If you take the cable car, the Funiculari Como, to the mountain hill of Brunate, you will have amazing views of Como city and the lake. From Menaggio we took the boat to Bellagio. Bellagio is the most popular town on Lake Como. Boats arrive to Bellagio from Varenna, Como, Tremezzo and other towns around the lake. Bellagio is called the Pearl of Lake Como, an amazing village situated in the middle of Como Lake where the lake splits into 2 legs. Seen from the air, it's built on an outstanding location. From the border of the lake, the streets run up the slope of the hill, very special with the villas and the parks on the mountain. It's very famous for its wonderful promenade, many restaurants, cozy narrow alleys and splendid decorations with flowers on the piazzas, the streets and the boulevard. It houses many exceptional shops with exclusive designer clothes, wine houses and Italian specialties. Walking here is pleasant. People are exploring the town, taking the best possible pictures of every corner. There is a nice kind of bustle here. In the afternoon it can be a bit too busy at the boat stops. But it's nice to see all the tourists gathering under the trees to shelter from the sun. Our next stop is Varenna. Without any doubt, Varenna is one of the most beautiful villages on Lake Como. We are on the eastern shore of the lake, and from here we have great sight of MENAGGIO and BELLAGIO. The three villages are good connected with each other. When you sail to Varenna, the views are amazing when you come closer to this place. Varenna has a fantastic boulevard with a walking path that runs along the rocky walls. It is very recognizable with the red closure that you will find over the road of the path. It is called the Passeggiata degli Innamorati, translated as the Lover's Walk. As the name suggests, it is a romantic walking path that gives you nice panoramic views. People take the time here to make some beautiful photos of the colorful houses, the plants, the flowers and the lake. It's worth to visit the castle ruins of the Castello di Vesio. In less than 20 minutes you climb the hill to this castle with a fantastic sight over the region. Villa del Balbianello is number 5 on our list. If you plan to visit a villa on Lake Como, Villa Balbianello is really fantastic. This 18th century villa drew our attention because of its appearance in the James Bond movie Casino Royale of 2006, where Bond, played by Daniel Craig, meets Vesper Lynd. In the gardens you walk amidst outstanding trees, plants and flowers. It's not for nothing one of the most beautiful and most famous villas on Lake Como. The elegant and romantic villa is an exclusive wedding location. If you want a wedding in luxury and style, then this is the ideal venue. The beauty of the gardens with the lake and the surrounding mountains as the backdrop is very inviting. Besides the 5 beautiful places mentioned in this video, Lake Como has so much more picturesque villages and amazing beaches, waterfalls and nature parks where you can refresh your mind. In DOMASO, a dynamic tourist center with a long beach and many camping sites, you can enjoy water sports. The ever-present Breva wind makes it an ideal destination for windsurfers. When you want to enjoy panoramic views, you go a bit back from the lake up on the hills and you will be treated with super amazing views. Milan is the closest big city to Lake Como. In less than 1 hour you drive from Como city to Milano. I hope you found this video somehow interesting. If you want to see more of Lake Como or Lake Maggiore, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.